SAPO exists for 23 years. We are one of the oldest internet companies. We are part of the Altis Group, which is one of the largest telco companies in the world, which owns Portugal Telecom, the number one telco company in Portugal, and we are the media division in the group. Okay, we currently manage more than 100 partnerships and more than 1.5 billion impressions per month. Besides being the largest in audience, we also manage lots of data, which is something that it is important for us and differentiate us in the Portuguese market. We are now trying to leverage all these assets in order to set up ourselves as a stronger player and go after the global players. We were experiencing some difficulties in our previous ad server solution, and of course with all the programmatic landscape starting to show up, we needed to have something that it was completely integrated, and Smart offered just that with the ad server and the SSP part. We usually try to understand how we can increase the revenue, and every kind of inputs that your Smart's optimization team gave us is very useful. I think everyone agrees that mobile is becoming very important for the publishers and the ad networks. It will soon represent more than 50% of our inventory, and of course to have a platform that can help us manage the cross devices campaigns, it's more than important, it's crucial. The premium forecasts feature, it is very important for us, because in order for us to manage such a voluminous inventory, it is important for us to know what to expect and how to optimize it. The optimization part is try to understand what we will have tomorrow regarding inventory, and try to set up changes in our pricing policy and strategy in order to reach the highest CPMs. Yeah, I think the media quality will be very important. We are now, since May, we are addressing it with a new feature that we call SAPO Ad Premium, in which we have third parties addressing the certification of our impressions. It is also important that Smart have features that allow us to check on viewability, on net fraud, and other issues regarding quality, because this allows us to cross-check with the third parties that we also use. I already did. I already recommended the Smart Ad Server to a very close friend of me, where he was already looking for an ad server. He was considered the usual suspects, DoubleClick, and some other platforms, and I recommend it because I strongly think that a very independent and complete platform like Smart Ad Server, and flexible, as you mentioned before, it will be very important for us to address the challenge that we have. But it is being very positive, and I think that's the word, positive. And I strongly recommend it to any publishers that want to have a complete ad serving and programmatic platform in place.